Today we're removing the front door panel and speaker from a Dodge Dakota. We're going to start with our Phillips screwdriver and remove one screw at the bottom of the handhold area. With our fingertip or a flathead screwdriver, we're going to pry the leading edge of this small panel in the door open handle area to hinge open and expose a Phillips screw. We'll remove this screw and move to the control panel on the armrest with our pry bar and pry the back edge of this panel up. This back edge will release. You can pull it up with your fingers. As you pull it up, you can pull it back from the front. The front of this panel has a small tongue on the very front of it that locks into the door panel at the front, and pulling it back releases it. This will give us access to 3 connectors on this panel. Squeeze the trigger in to release the lock and remove the connector. The driver's door has more connectors than the remaining doors in the vehicle. These connectors are all keyed, so they fit back to only one specific spot. Once you've removed these connectors, you can free up the control panel and set this to the side. With your Phillips screwdriver, move to the bottom front edge of the door panel and remove one screw. Move to the bottom back edge of the door panel and remove a second screw. With your pry bar, pry the top edge of the small triangular panel from the door, and at the same time lift the door up. While the door lifts up, it will pull back from the door. We're going to pull the top edge slightly back to access the door handle linkage. This has a blue locking mechanism. It has an opening on one side, and we're going to swivel it out to release the end of the cable. Once it releases the cable, you can pull the end of this cable up out of the door handle. This will give you access to a 6.5-inch speaker here on the door. When reinstalling the door panel, check the top area where the triangular panel was for any clips that may have remained on the door. Pry them from the door and place them back on the door panel. Several other things to look for when reinstalling this door panel is there are hooks along the bottom and mid of this panel that mate to openings in the door panel, so this door has to go back straight onto the door and then down to lock in, while at the same time you have to have your door lock pass up through the opening and pull all your connectors up to the control panel to reinstall the panel. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.